Hey guys, Frosty8415. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, please. This is a new computer that I built. My other one died on me, so I threw this sucker together. You can see it's got an EVGA 1080 water cooled, all the bells and whistles, and got it greened out underneath. That's where my radiator is, power supply, extra fans, all that good stuff. And there's my auxiliary supply rack. Got a bunch of stuff up there. And it goes good with my new 34-inch screen, which I really like. And like I said, if I say "and" one more time, I'm probably going to blow up. You got to bear with me, guys. I'm new to this. I'm using my phone. I'm going to get me a GoPro and see if I can't do these a little bit better. Frosty8415 out.